All right, good morning, everyone. Louis Porcelino, Man Over Market. Today is February 2nd, and we're going to be talking about the E-mini morning call and the great Super Bowl last night. If you didn't watch the Super Bowl, it was an awesome game. And I guess the market's going to go down because the AFC won. I guess that's what they say the traditional wisdom is. But you know what? I don't know if we can predicate our trading based on that. All right, we made an overnight high in 1998. Let me just say this about yesterday, the Fridays, the last 45 minutes, and that taking out the highs, going in there, they're coming down and making new lows. It's very rare we have days like that. Very rare is that we have days like that. I think maybe 1 or 2 days a year. So hopefully you didn't get caught in it. I got caught in it a little bit, and but anyway. So we've got an overnight high of 1997, or basically 1998 here. Overnight low 1990. This looks undone down to me. 1984, they did that on the post close. All right. Plus, we got this down here. This 1992 looks unfinished there. So we need to, take a breath, step back and understand that we've been calling for this market to go lower as long as it stays under that 1927 area. I tried to update this chart. You guys are probably sick of seeing it, but you know, here's the day chart with the levels. I kind of tried to flatten it out for you last night. So now I drew another bottom along here. So the market's got to take out this is like 1975 area. All right, and we're still calling for the market to go to 1961 half, 1961 half, and here is the halfway zone or 50% of the fib retracement between all-time highs. Let me squish this up a little. All-time highs up here. All right, 28,875 and December low of 1961 half. So looking for the market to go down. I think we're going to get some two-sided trade and some action today, just based on the fact that we've got oil took in last night. All right, here's oil. Let me put the 15-minute chart up. And that's populate. We can go and look at. Let's go look at bonds. All right, so overnight for the bonds. All right, remember we made highs the other night. We were up here. Uh, that high was 151.28. Okay, I'm going to use 151, like 151 even here as the bull bear zone. We got the top of value at 151. Okay, 151.14 is the point of control, which is above the top of value, and then you got value in here and value all the way down to 150.30. I think we're going to see some profit taken up here in the bonds, so the market's going to stay uh, focused between that area. All right, gold. Um, Gold is retreating a little bit. It's sort of in a negative trend. It's it's below the 5 minute and the 15 minute pivots. I'm going to use 1281 as our bull bear zone. Top of value is 2077 or 1277.60. Look at the 1265 is the point of control. 1259 half. 1259 half. Um, I think that gold made some highs based on what was going on. Oil has rallied back a little bit, and I think and what's going on in the economies, I think you're going to get a retracement here in the gold. All right, um, uh, take a look at it and get it back inside value. It's already inside value. Looks like we're having a little trouble here. I'm having trouble with this bond chart. Let me see if I can, or oil chart. Maybe I can get a different time period to show up. All right, just got too many charts open up. I could bring the, let me bring the oil profile in. Let's see. All right, so here's a daily oil profile, and if you can see, it's kind of spiked up in here. All right. Um, we still have this gap. We got a gap over here that has to be filled. Actually, I think they filled that overnight because oil made a high overnight. I don't know what's wrong with this chart. It's not populating, but I can bring the other profile up. Sorry, guys. Hold on. There we go. All right, so here's an oil chart overnight. Went up and made a high at 50, 56, 50, 56. Okay. We got the mode 48, 49, which are now trading back over there. Okay. And we got a low down here at 47. Um, we're going to use 47.10, 147.10 as the bull bear zone in oil, 147.10 in oil. I might have to restart this chart. I'm having a problem there. So hopefully it'll straighten out. All right, here's a 5 minute. Let's see if we can get this up here. All right. All right. Okay. So like I said last night, oil made this high up here, 50.56. We're going to use so oil is now retreated. It's trading way above value. Top of value is 47.52, and we've got the bull bear zone at 47.10, 47.10. All right, and the point of control is way down here, 45.14. Big range in oil. Okay, big range, and we got the bottom of value way down here, 45.14. So we've got a big range in oil, and I think you're going to see these big moves just based on where it's come from, right? And and we've got some gaps up above in oil that they're going to have to fill those gaps. All right, all right. So let's just do a little recap. All right, we're going to be looking at the SPOOs today. All right, market is the high of value 2009 and a quarter. The low of value is 1991 and a quarter. We're going to use 1986 half as our bull bear zone. Okay. All right. This is a 15-minute chart. Um, so 1986 half will be the bull bear zone. Our 5 minute chart, I believe we're already below it. Let me pull it up. All right. I'm sorry, we're testing it now. So the bull bear zone, the 5 minute pivot is right here at 1990 half, 1990 half. All right. Bull bear zone 1986 half. Also, the 30-minute pivot is right here in 1987. 1987. So that's going to be a point of struggle if we break down there. Looking up above at the NASDAQ, Dow, and the Russell are still above their 5 minute pivots. They haven't broken it. So that's going to be a point of contention right there. All right. And then, of course, to get any sort of rally, as we say all the time, you're going to have to get back inside value, which is bottom here is 1991 and a quarter. Okay. Down here at 1981 to 1982, there's been three bottoms. So we're going to have to navigate that. And the top value is way up here at 2009. So that's what we're looking at today. We got that. Once we take out the 5 minute pivot at 1986, that's going to be the important area. All right. Two-sided trade. I got a short bias. Think the market's going down again. Thank you. Bye.